And how many hours a week should you be spending doing your marketing in your dental practice? I would say the better question to ask than that would be, how many hours a week do you not want to be doing dentistry in your practice? And by not doing dentistry, I don't mean playing golf or driving your sports car or enjoying time at your daughter's dance recitals or your son's soccer game. I mean, how many hours a week do you want to be in the practice working and not producing income, revenue, money for your practice because you're not doing dentistry? So if you want to be working and not producing money 10 hours a week, then divvy up that 10 hours a week amongst all the things you want to do. If you're one of those dentists that wants to be as productive as possible and maximize your earning potential, maximize the amount of money you're creating and the value you're creating, not only for yourself and your team, but also the value that you're creating for your patients, right? Because when you're doing dentistry, you're creating value and helping your patients. Then I would tell you to minimize the amount of time you spend on your marketing.